How to cancel transfer on Remitly. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you cancel transfer on Remitly. So first thing first, what you want to do is make sure to log into your account. So you could use a browser version or an app itself. So once logged in, it's going to directly take you to the home page. So here what you have to do is from the home page you want to find a transfer that you want to cancel. So you could just tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner and go to transfer history. When you go to transfer history, over here you'll be able to see all the transactions or the transfer. You just need to scroll transfer and scroll right to the bottom, and there you could find a cancel transfer and confirm button. You have to go to read the details, all that, and agree to the terms and condition and choose a reason for cancellation and submit. After you press on it, it might take a while, or you might be able to see that the payment has been successfully cancelled. If for some reason if you are unable to cancel the payment or the receiver has already received the particular amount, then you could directly contact the Remitly and they will be able to handle your matter. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.